I'm going to go over like a 24 pack of like a zippered mesh pocket. Check these things out, everybody. This is from the company Qualsen, I think's how you would say that. And like I said, these are the 24 pieces, and they come in like a package like this right here. And I'll just kind of like pull them out and show you. You get a wide variety of colors. I've got the green, blue, yellow, and pink here. And you know, looking over it, some of the best features of this thing, it's great for like makeup and office supplies. And what I've been using it for, you know, I just did a trip and I put my, you know, my beef jerky, my little Jimmy's bar down in. I have a snack in there. They have the zipper right here on the top. Very easy to open and close. They're kind of splash resistant. They're not waterproof because the zipper's not a waterproof zipper. They have a little tab on the top of the zipper that makes it very easy to grab a hold of. I think some of the best uses for these would be school supplies, whether you're a teacher and you just need to put a lot of like different school supplies. I just recently did a little thing on a plant garden thing, and I had a lot of extra supplies. Well, you know what I used? I used one of these. The material on these things let me just open one up. It feels very tough, and it's like a rip-resistant material. If you look at it, they've got this thread, so it's super strong. So when you got like a pencil, let me grab a pencil or a pen or something, they won't poke through it. That's why you could use like pencils and pens, and you could stick them down in there, and even if they're sharpened, they're not going to poke through because of how tough this thing is. Very impressive technology that they put into these things. And like I said, you know, looking over it here, they are pretty much indestructible. Now, I'm sure if I pulled right here at the zipper, I could break it loose, but you can see how the zipper is sewn in there. And I do like the ability to have a lot of different colors. So if you want to break down like if you had a puzzle pieces, you want to do one puzzle in green, and you could do like different skill levels or whatever. But yeah, this is something I will be using amongst my travels. I like packing things down in the totes in my van, and this is the perfect thing for that. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the Qualsen, you know, zipper mesh pockets. See y'all in the next video.